Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished up another set of WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridge kit. This one is being installed into a 2023 Husqvarna TC250. This rider lives on the East Coast and does a mix of motocross and off-road riding. He favors the motocross side of riding, so he asked for our soft moto setup. And with this setup, he'll still be able to adjust the compression softer on the front forks for the days he chooses to go ride off-road and in the woods that the East Coast offers. And when he's at the moto track, he can revert back to the baseline setting that we have set up for him here on the clickers. With these kits, we like to use the K-Tech brand springs. As you can see, the spring has a really nice, smooth finish to it. Some other brand springs are more rough textured finish. And also, all their springs are laser marked with the spring rate on the end of them, so it makes them easy to identify. The last thing we do before shipping these kits is we select the appropriate spacer for the spring out of this bag, install it onto the spring, and then slide the spring onto the 6500 cartridge assembly. So that way, when your cartridge kit shows up, you remove it out of the box, and it is ready to drop into your forks. It also comes with a JBI suspension settings guide, which tells you exactly where to set up your clickers and what oil volume to pour into the outer chamber of the forks. Ride JBI has many other settings developed for these WP 6500 cartridge kits, be it motocross, soft moto, off-road, FMX, and supercross/arena cross. Details of these kits can be found at ridejbi.com. All other JBI suspension services and parts can also be found at ridejbi.com.